But Sheen's announcement comes on the same day we learn of staggering new numbers about STDs.
Today, the CDC says it has seen an alarming increase. 2 News reporter Robert Lowry here now with what local organizations are doing to bring those numbers down.
Well, in fact, the CDC says it's the first time their big three, syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia, have risen in the same year since 2006. The AIDS Resource Center Ohio says it's going to take better education and prevention to help lower some of those numbers.
I'm here to admit that I am, in fact, HIV positive.
Charlie Sheen's announcement on the Today Show could help others struggling to find help.
There's still a significant stigma about HIV, so much so that the stigma is a burden to care for some people.
It's battling that stigma. The AIDS Resource Center Ohio says it has been able to keep HIV and AIDS cases from increasing.
We know that there are 1,700 patients or people that are diagnosed with HIV, and it's estimated about 300 that are undiagnosed.
Despite those numbers staying the same, however, the organization says it has seen an increase in STD cases, much like the record numbers the CDC is seeing across the country. Last year, there were about 20,000 syphilis cases, the highest since 1994. 458 of those cases were in newborns. The CDC says there were about 350,000 cases of gonorrhea, but attribute that number to better reporting by those affected. But the largest count, chlamydia, had about 1.4 million cases, the highest ever reported to the CDC. Experts say education and prevention can help lower those numbers.
If you're at risk for getting chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis, you're certainly at risk for HIV, and so that's why prevention is key.
And another reason the CDC says those numbers are rising is because of budget cuts for some states. Just this summer, however, the AIDS Resource Center Ohio received a $950,000 grant from the state to help those with HIV and AIDS. Robert Lowry, 2 News, working for you.